tomorrow again. I will nick the Xbox.
It looked prettier before I got the extra topping, but...
Out of spite.
This is the difference. I see it as we review the food, we're not showing off the food. If you want an Instagram shot of it, you can go to the website and get the pretty picture.
Right. The last one.
Yeah, let's pretend it looked like that. But there's a picture.
That's just in the stack. That's the actual sin.
Not quite.
Wow.
That's the coffee.
There you go. Oh, that's right. So that's what it's meant to look like.
That's why I love it.
I think we're good.
That's not my foot, no. Oh. Don't do it. Don't do it. It's doing it. Yeah. Right. Yeah. Mate.
Let's find a different spot to stand.
I'm really wet.
I'm jumping you, just hide in the heat. You getting right? Yeah.
Bug it up.
Thank you.
We have roof.
Trick chair does not like the rain.
Right. Drive.
The human in this wheelchair does not.
Yes, I know. My teenagers do not like the rain either.
Melting.
I managed to cook dinner and
Okay. Our own little wicked witch.
Yeah.
There are a lot of weather slugs out there.
We're trying to city walk.
We're heading to City Walk. Okay. Yeah.
Can't remember what we told you we were going to be doing today, if we even told you what we were going to be doing today. So, good morning, guys. Today was meant to be a fun spot. You can probably see the cloud behind us. Today decided we were not going to be in fun spot. We have some weather today. We decided to abandon fun spot. We weren't meant to get inclement weather until 5 o'clock. It's already chucked it down on us about 4 times. Touch wood, up to now we've been very lucky and have managed to avoid it each time. I'm not saying that's how the day's gonna go, but we decided to abandon fun spot. It's not gonna be the place to be soggy. And once we scan in, that's our day done. So we've abandoned fun spot, we've come to Universal. If we get rained out, we've got more time in Universal, we can reuse our tickets because we've got the annual passes. Whereas with Fun Spot, once we're scanned in, we're done. So we have rearranged our week. We're going to go back to Fun Spot in a few days, assuming that the weather's a bit better. So Sammy's just doing laps, she's fine. You've got space if you want it. So we've come to Universal, we're going to do a couple of hours in here. It's already gone 1 o'clock. We've been to Ihop for breakfast this morning while we readjusted our plans. So yeah, we're already on 1 o'clock. We're not rushing, we can't rush. It's not in our family dynamic. We're starting in studios, as you can see. The cloud is ominous. But we're just going to roll with it, no pun intended. We're going to see what we can do. Luckily, most of Universal is indoors.
I think we're aiming for lots of shows today.
Yeah, we're going to try and hit the shows. There are going to be some rides because that's what the kids need. They need their adrenaline hit. I'm not sure we're going to get to do any of the outside stuff. It is a Sunday. It is busy. The wait times are high. We're going to get done what we're going to get done. We're in no real rush to do anything. We're at the apartment, which is a miracle in itself. We'll take you along to wherever we get up to. Whatever that ominous cloud allows. Okay, should we head in? See what we can find?
Yep.
See what we can avoid?
The sky is a little foreboding. The weather slugs tell us that it's already raining according to them. It says it's a thunderstorm waiting to get us and it's going to be doing it for the next hour. So... let's do something indoors. Here we are enjoying the shops. It is definitely raining out there.
We've done 2 shows.
In a row. We walked out on one into the next. Not the worst.
In one show, we did what? Born.
We did Born.
We went straight from Born straight into the horror show, which they have toned down in the last 2 decades. It's the first time we've done it in, what, 18 years? And it has been toned down a lot. And it is now really chucking it down. So we're hiding the wheelchair.
Chucking it down.
Chucking it down. And we are now, hiding because the wheelchair and the teenager doesn't do rain. So we're hiding out for the next half an hour, apparently, in a horror shop. So, what big feet you have, trash bag.
Not the worst place to be.
All of it to kick you in.
Boop, stop beating up on me. And apparently every weapon Trashy has to find, he has to beat me with. I will retaliate at some point.
But yeah, the day would have definitely been a washout if we were trapped outside.
If we'd have gone to Fun Spot, it'd have been hell. That one storm at 5 o'clock was a lie. So, yeah.
So we're playing ride to ride for as much indoors as possible. Let's see what we can make it to next.
Nothing for a little bit.
No.
Nothing
I'll go
for a little
outside.
bit. Let's see what we can poke.
Let's take a little shot. We have made it from one shop to the next shop. We made it out of the 2 shows. Alright. Into what did we go on last?
Minions.
On to the Minions,
Despicable Me Minions.
which is a good indoor thing with lots of dry queuing, which is always nice. And then we made a quick run in the rain to make it as far as the Transformers.
It would if you did it as a little nightlight.
A little night light.
We did not make it as smoothly as we hoped, but now we have another shop to look through for a few. And then if it lulls, we can try and make it to somewhere else, but it is not looking good. The day is looking to be a washout. Time for a soggy run. Go, 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 go! Oh, they did open it up.
Yeah, it's just everybody's
It's also not actually undercover. Ish. Nearly. Yeah. Grumpy, soggy people.
Go back this way, we'll go straight to the front.
The ground is not so dry. But it's dramatic.
Raining.
When life gives you rain, what do?
Puddle donuts. Puddle donuts, or I run your feet over. Puddle donuts. Thank you. Puddle donuts. We make the best out of a bad situation. Puddle donuts.
Right. It is temporarily not belting it down. Shall we make a run from this end up to...
Have a look. We've already done way
well, yeah.
more than I think we would. Yeah?
Plan A was wiped at the beginning. That would not have worked. That would have been several
No.
grumpy people. Plan whatever on earth this became.
Q.
Q.
Plan Q.
Worked better than expected.
Right, Men in Black's at 25 minutes. It is the other side of the park.
I also believe there's no cover anywhere next to it.
Sorry?
I also believe there's no cover anywhere next to it, so as soon as the ride's finished, they'll need to take us out.
There is a shop.
Okay.
So there's cover there.
This place, this day is shop to shop so
Yeah.
far. But we're good with that.
Gringotts is 55.
So if we
So if you want to, you can
Head
take
that
it
way.
past the Gringotts and then head across to Men in Black.
Yeah?
It looks like we should have enough time to do that. Would you like to do that?
Sure.
well, rather than making a decision for ourselves about which way to go, why don't we up to Optimus?
Optimus says that way.
He says that way.
Right.
Off we go.
So should we do that? Yeah?
Out of the puddle.
Go through the puddle. Through the puddle.
I strongly disapprove.
I disapprove.
So much better when someone disapproves.
You just returned to voidal puddles.
Yeah, my shoes don't cope with puddles as well as Riley's chair.
I've got basically the same shoes. You have slightly smaller and different colour.
And you can already feel that humidity picking up again.
It just drains so fast now. But no sun yet.
Now, I don't think at this point we're going to get it.
No. You okay, right? You need to push. Push. Five minutes later, a bit of music. It seems so much more cheerful. Wow, it's so wet and authentic.
It's wet, cold.
Dragon looks miserable. I hate this place.
I know.
I'm sorry, I don't care if it's pretty and everything else. I hate this place. It's always so rammed and everybody's so in their own little world. I really hate this place.
Do you want me to just go up and try and grab one? Would that be it?
No, I just wish people could get out their own backside.
That would be nice.
Literally just had somebody sit on the chair. They stepped so far back without looking that they just sat on me.
Oh.
And then was surprised when I stuck my hand on their bottom to shove them.
Yeah.
Because they were already sat on me. So no, I hate this.
Okay, we have misters, possibly not needed at this moment. The time-honoured Cheeto break.
Time for a little snacks now.
They'll sing. We have a return time. We have a dry spot. It is good. You have orange fingers.
Yep.
And Mama is drinking something that's most likely blue.
It tastes blue.
Tastes blue.
Yes, please. Thank you. Can I just get a knife, please? Thank you. That way, guys. Thank you very much. Seats area down there, but I don't think they've got a ramp down.
There's some chairs and stuff over that way. So one donut serves 8.
That ice is ridiculously sweet.
Wow, yeah,
Oh,
that's sweet.
real sweet. Tiny touch. Nom, 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 nom. Opinion? Yay! Got a thumbs up.
The donut itself isn't super sweet,
But the glaze is.
but the glaze really is.
I like the fact they've got giant sprinkles to try and be about the same scale.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm kind of glad we're a family of 4. Trying to do one of these between 2 of you, you'd probably go into diabetic shock.
Yeah. Good days, but yeah.
Yeah. I mean, we'd have done it back when. But, these days, diabetic shock.
That pretty much would have been the meal done.
There are people say it's too bready and it tastes too much like bread than donut. I think that's alright.
But this is more the raised, sweetened dough donut rather than the deep fried thing
donut,
that most people, Dunkin' or Krispy Kremes.
Yeah.
Most people think of the standard fried donut, Krispy Kreme style thing. Yeah, this is more an enriched loaf.
Yeah,
But that's a good thing. I like it. It's lighter.
which I think is needed.
I personally always have a problem with the fried aspect of a really fresh donut. Tasty, but that level of grease can affect me. So,
They come back very quickly.
so I'm happy with this.
Got it?
Wow.
I got one with the maple sprinkle.
You
Like-
did get the mega sprinkle.
I'm good. There's a mega sprinkle. My mega sprinkle.
So, family snack, couple's adventure, or single person death sentence.
Yeah.
But it's good.
It's not the worst thing to go for.
It's a good way to go. What a
Good way
wonder.
to go.
Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't advise this for yourself. There are people who would, but wouldn't advise it to yourself. As a couple, it would be adventurous for 2 of you. It makes a good 4-person snack.
You'll learn things about your relationship.
You will. This is definitely not a first date thing, is it, Sammy? You will learn things.
Oh no, it teaches you the qualities of the other person quite quickly. Do they share food?
How well do they share? Yeah, no, it's good. I was worried because a lot of people have complained about it. But I enjoy it. It's not overly sweet because of the doughiness of the bread.
No. Very similar to the Joffrey's ones that...
Yeah, they do in Disney and stuff. Yeah.
Cool.
Okay.
That'd be useful.
As opposed to shaking and walking, which you just did. Fix it then. Well done, baby girl. If you can do that one on my knees, please.
That'd be nice.
Romero.
on.
Magic, so much fun.
Oh, silence! I saw that one.
Yes.
That's remembered. Give me the wand. Give me the wand. Give me the wand. Well done, bud. Okay, should we let somebody else have a go? Great job. You might want to grab his chair.
Yeah.
Do you want to have a look at the pet shop? Oh, the jowls. Look at the jowls. Yes, but look at the jowl. He gets his fingers right up there. Oh, you're cute. Puff ski on my head. You do have a puff ski on your head. Oh. You can stick your fingers right up there. Oh yeah, he's lovely.
It's got like robot bodies.
I mean, as opposed to the cat thing up there that's going to jump down and eat someone.
Yeah.
Stick your fingers up his jowls. See? Isn't that lovely? Yeah. Wow. I just got fireball something.
You fireballed something.
Yep. I used incendia.
I'm not sure I approve of that. Off people, watch out for others.
You want to do that spell? It's not a his favourite spell, Dada, Incendio!
Everything that a 12-year-old should have access to. I remember some were all about matches, not playing with, but I don't think they mentioned wands, right?
Yeah, we live in a different age.
Ah, yes.
We definitely live in a different age. Sammy just stopped up. It is, they just get him to squish spiders. Oh no! Every time